guys! Just wanna post a small video with my acquisitions or the yarn that I bought today. So first off, I bought some variegated yarn from Tavora. This has yellows, greens, and pink, and some shade of grayish blue. So the sister of my brother-in-law, she wanted me to make her a teddy out of pink, white, and red yarn, but I couldn't find one, so I settled with this color. I'm going to ask her if she wants me to make her this color. I also bought some familiar ones, actually just two. This is pink colored yarn from Familia. It's kind of thick, like the pink one I used for the elephant. And then some Mayflower yarn. This color red. This is 16 grams. It is called Mayflower. 16 grams. Polyester. Got some in red. And two for blue. Because another order is a Captain America amigurumi doll. I also bought some violet ribbon. It has this kind of design. It's very pretty ribbon. I'm going to put in the stickers. So from Red Heart yarn, I bought some brown for the teeny time ball. I finally bought the right shade of brown. And I bought 5 of this, and also 2 of the black medium yarn. I'm going to show you my progress. So for the elephant, I managed to make him put together the pieces of the details. I'm just going to make the trunk part and the eyes. Plus the mouth has some kind of felt. And I'm going to embroider the tongue part because I don't have a red felt cloth. And the pig turned out this way. Still have to put the muzzle, and the mouth also has a red felt on it. And the tail. The tail of the pig is curly, while the tail of the elephant has some tassel on it. I also bought 1 kilo of fiber fill because I ran out of it. And there are people working on the pipeline for the water. And I think they took a break. So I decided to make a small snippet or video for my acquisitions and my works in progress. So that's it. I'm going to put the cell holders I make on my Ganchillera page, and I hope that someone will buy them. Also, I posted there the Pop and Run Spears bag. But no buyers for now. So that's it. I'm going to post this along with other videos. Bye for now. Hello guys, good morning. Today is May 28th. It's my papa's birthday today. And what am I doing today? I'm stuffing the feet of the amigurumi dragons with fiber fill that I bought yesterday. So these are 10 pairs of feet and 10 pairs of the hand I'm going to stuff. And I am listening to cruising videos, old love songs. And from outside, there are people working on this water storage stuff. They're still not finished laying the pipes, laying new pipes. That's it. Bye for now. Hello, hello. It's us again. This is Sophie. She's going to redo all of the stuff that I took a while ago. What yarn is this? Blue yarn for Captain America. And red yarn. And a cream colored yarn. White yarn. She's going to model the amigurumis. Let them see the amigurumi. So what does the amigurumi have? Here. So, what is kamay in English? Hand. Hand. And feet. That's the again of amigurumi. All of the body. And elephant. And this one is a this is going to be teeny times. Wait. Yeah. How about this? I forgot about the hat. Batman hat. Dabba 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 da. Hold it. Dabba 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 da. Batman. It has a Batman logo. Bigger for the hat. For a 5-month-old baby. That is Daniel. No, Daniel is. Oops. What am I going to say? Hey, bye-bye. Bye-bye na, guys. Bye-bye from us. Hi, guys. Megan Rose from the Philippines. This is my third try on this video. So, today is May 30, 2015, Saturday. And I'm going to show you my works in progress and my finished objects. So first is the elephant. I managed to put the face and trunk on him and some tail. I've used the button on him with the metal green because I think it's better that way. I don't want to paint it because I don't want to mess it up, but there's an option of painting the eyes like the one that I used for the bunny. I didn't use pipe cleaner for the trunk. I just used some wiring with wiring on him so it will bend. And for the mouth, I don't have some felt or red felt, so I've used the cotton mercerized yarn for the tongue that's how, and I put it inside the mouth, and that's the elephant. And also, I made the pig, or I finished the pig. He has a curly tail. For the eyes, I've used a flat button, and I decided to put the multi-purpose ink, the white multi-purpose ink on the dot of the eyes. And also some cotton mercerized for the tongue. So the elephant is bigger because the yarn that I've used is much thicker, even though they are of the same familiar yarn. It turned out cute, and I wanted to show you before I give to my cousin or Ate Didi. And the amigurumis are, I finished 5 of the 9, and I still have to make 4 more. The giraffe, monkey, the panda bear, and the lion. I think the lion is a bit hard to make because he has some fur of some kind. So I also managed to make the turtle. I made his outer shell bigger because, like I said from the other yarns, the brown is much thinner than the neon orange. So Daniel really likes the turtle, so I think I'm going to make him one. And also, for my works in progress, I managed to put the arms and the feet for Teeny Time's dog. And I'm still contemplating about if this is the right size of snout for him. So I'm in the learning process of making the snout and nose. And I have some other orders of Hello Kitty hat for one. So I guess that's it for now. Bye! Hi guys! I just want to inform you that I will make a small snippet or a slide of the old projects that I have, and I will put it at the end of my videos. Hi guys! It's Megan Rose from the Philippines, and I'm here now at Ursala. It's May 31, 2015, and I'm just going to show you my finished object. It's Timmy Time's dog. I think they don't have names for the other characters of the cartoons, but I think my ate said the sheep is called Timmy, and this is the dog from that show. He has button eyes and some cream vanilla nozzle, black nose. And he has this kind of vest as if he has a backpack, but he doesn't have a backpack. He has a vest that goes to his shoulders and on his chest, and his tail is like this. And also he has a tuft of hair on the top of his head and a very long ear. So I think this took me a while to make because I was also making the other things. But I think he turned out quite cute. And I'm going to send this to Mindanao because my classmate now lives there. And maybe uh, her husband lives there. And she's a policewoman now. It's kind of cool because she also married a soldier. And her son really loves the stuffed toys that looks like this. The stuffed toys was lost, so she wanted me to make her that same type of stuffed toy so that her child wouldn't cry at night anymore because her child brings the dog with him as he sleeps. And along with that, I'm going to send that using our local courier, LDC. I am going to give her some souvenir. It's a beaded wallet, and I put my calling card inside, and the little chain. So that's my project. I hope you guys have a fun day. Bye! Hi, it's Megan Rose from the Philippines. And what am I making today? By the way, it's May 20, 2015. I'm making some embroidered Batman logo. Not really good with embroidery, but I try. I'm going to put this on a booties, baby booties, as an embellishment. I think it's not really that good, but I'm making another one. So what I do is I drew the logo on this Gina cloth, and at the back I put a white felt, and then I put some pins on it, around it. Then I start embroidering the black part first. So that's what I do. I embroider it one by one until the design is full. Then after this black one, I'm going to make the yellow part. And I bought some DMC thread. DMC thread from Tabora. These are used for cross stitching. This is ideal for embroidery because it's kind of shimmery. So that's what I've been up to. Hello to you guys. Bye for now.